Continuing from the first video link in description, let's explore another beginner-friendly way to create cool cutouts in Blender using Boolean differences. Remember, selection order is key. The first object you grab is your cookie cutter, the one that will punch a hole in your second object, the cookie dough. So grab a cube by clicking the cube icon in the top left corner. This will be your cutting tool. Now, select the main object you want to cut into. Cube, sphere, etc. Now, let's get started. To create the difference, we need another object. In Blender, there are many ways to make new objects. A great beginner option is the cube. To make a cube, go to the top left corner of your screen, where you see all the different editing modes. Click on the cube icon. Looks like a, well, cube. Now you have a nice, basic cube in your scene. This will be our cutting tool that will make the difference in our main object. This is your cookie dough. With both objects selected, cutting tool first. Head to the Modifiers tab wrench icon on the right panel and add the Boolean modifier to your main object. By default, you might not see the change instantly. In the Properties panel next to Modifiers, find the Boolean modifier and change the draw type to wire. Under Settings to see the cutting tool at work. The possibilities are endless with different cookie cutter shapes and even multiple tools. Dive into the video for a step-by-step walkthrough and the final result. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions about Boolean differences or Blender in general. Happy creating! Now that you've seen the power of Boolean differences, the possibilities are endless. You can try creating different shapes for your cutting tool to make various cutouts in your main object. You can even try using multiple cutting tools at once to create more complex shapes